in North Carolina, let me show you this quick rundown using the 317 method, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to put in the daytime draw of February 2nd, all right, which is 941. We put that in, okay, and we generate the grid. Now what we're looking for is the day sum, which is 4, and we also have highlighted the mirror of the day sum. The mirror of 4 is 9, so we have those in yellow, right? So based on that, we should be finding our plays there, all right? The way I look for it is I use the row above it, right? This is just to narrow it down. So I use the row above it, which is 872, because I see where my numbers are at, the 4 and the 9s, right? I see that, so I just go right above it, right? Now, using this 317, if you look down, what's the mirror to 8? 3. What's the mirror to 7? 2. What's the mirror to 2? 7. So I know I'm looking in this area right here for my plays, all right? Based on that, I'm now going to look for 80878. All right, so I know my plays are right here, but where's that 878? Right there, right where I told you it was. All right, because I'm looking at that 872, right? So I see 878 right next to my mirrors, right next to my day sum in the mirror of the day sum, 878. All right, next play, 804, same area. Do you see it? 840. It's right there, North Carolina. It's right there. Next play, 836. Still in the same area, 863. All right, that's how I find my numbers. All right, so you could do the same thing. Get the generator, put the numbers in, and you'll see the same results. All right, you could do the same thing for if you want to figure out today's numbers. In this case, it's the third. The fourth, is it? The fourth. You just put in the midday or the daytime from the third. And then you will see if you can get that evening, that 804. But we already saw that 804 and the 836 came out right here in this play. All right. So you got to use the generators. There's a bunch of them there. LNumeris Lottery Strategies.com. And you just got to find the one that works for your state. You know, you're going to know which one works. Like I use as an example, I use the 941. So I'm picking a generator since 941 is an odd number, or it has an odd number in it. Let's just say odd number. I'm looking for a generator that has odd numbers to run my workout on. All right, so maybe that'll help you for your state. But North Carolina, these 317 seems to be working for your state. As you just saw, you did the daytime and you got the next 2 plays out of it, all in the same area. So give it a shot. Let me know in the comments if you hit. You can also look down here at the bottom, because the algorithm for these generators gives you your plays down there. So if you look and see if your play is probably down here as well. All right, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to let you guys get your generator and you can figure that out, because I could go on all day about how those numbers are generated. But it's in there. You guys got to know your mirrors and your flips, okay? And using this rundown, you're also getting to hit some of the mirror numbers in green as well, so you can base your plays around there. So basically, just find your plays right here in the area I told you, and you should be good to go. All right, get the generators, try them out. Let me know you want in the comments. Good luck, and we'll see you on the other side.